This is how the side part looks. Super clean, super sleek. It is 100% glueless. I did not put any glue on this wig whatsoever.
Bitch, I'm a baddie, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. See with my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past him, he sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't.
Hey guys, today's video is a collaboration with Nadula Hair. Nadula Hair be sending me the most packages ever, but today's wig is their Body Wave 30-inch closure wig. This wig is super long, and I end up just putting some curls in it because I washed it and it kind of turned into that washed body wave straight type of look. So I put some curls in it, so you guys are going to see that today. So this is the box that the wig comes in, and I'm also going to have the specific links to this wig down below if you want to just buy it without entering giveaways or anything. I'll have the link down below, and if I have a coupon code, I will have it in my description box, and I'll have all Nadula Hair links in my description box. So let's get right into this video so you guys can see how I turn this little closure into a side part, sexy side part.
Illegal. I got more slaps than the Beatles. Foreign running on diesel, dog. Playing with my name is lethal, dog. Don Corleone. Trust me, at the top it isn't lonely. Everybody acting like they know me, dog. Don't just say it down, you gotta show me. You gotta bring the clip back empty. You have to see the ball, so they sent me, dog. I just broke her off with a 10-piece, dog. There ain't nothing, I'm just being friendly, dog. Just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't going playing palm, but I show you. Got you if you really wanna fall till you fall and your back against the wall, and a bunch of need you to go away. Still going bad on them anyway. Saw you last night, it did it all day. Yeah, got a murk on me in a hallway. Got a sticky and a stupid at my dark place. Girl, I left it, love it, magic, now it's all shade. Still going bad on you anyway. Whoa, 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 whoa. I can feel like 80 rats in my Marys. Me and Drizzy back to back is getting scary. If you fucking with my eyes, just don't come near me. Put some bands all on your head like Justin Terry. Whoa. Rich and Millie cause a Lambo. Known to keep the better, young commando. Every time I'm in my trap, I move like Rambo. Ain't a neighborhood in Philly that I can't go. Real. She said, oh, you rich. I graduated, call me Big Fish. I got Lori Hurry on my wish list. That's the only thing I want for Christmas. I been had my way out, yeah, no, that's facts. You ain't living that you said, yeah, we know that's cat. You ain't got to ask you when you see me, no, I'm straight. DTOVO, we back again, we going back. Just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't going playing ball, but I'll show you how to gotta do it. If you really wanna fall till you fall and your back against the wall, and a bunch of need you to go away. Still going bad on them anyway. Saw you last night.
This is the end of the video. This is how the wig turned out. This is how the side part looks. Super clean, super sleek. It is 100% glueless. I did not put any glue on this wig whatsoever. So it's just sitting on my head. So this is definitely summertime friendly. All of the videos, all of the wigs now are going to be summertime friendly. So you guys can just follow along with me. Put your wig on. And you don't have to worry about it coming off. You don't have to worry about glue ripping out your edges. Just put it on your head, take it off when you get home, and you'll be good. Don't forget to check out Nadula Hair. I will have their links in my description box below. And I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
Keep on the sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on the next, niggas when I breathe in. Thumb in that check, bloating me. You thought I was feeling you? Yeah, nigga, I'm much. Nigga, eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want, like. You thought I was feeling you? Yeah, nigga, I'm munch. Nigga, eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch, on my body, I get what I want, like. Bitch, on my body, I get what I please. You know my body, I do.
Nadula.